Welcome back to the channel. How you doing? Welcome to the Grateful Rose River Homestead. As you can see, we are in the car. Stay tuned. We have a surprise for y'all. Well, everybody, we are now back home. Now, I bet you all wondered, what is the surprise? What do you think the surprise is? Let me give you a hint. It sometimes comes around Easter. Sometimes it likes carrots. Still wondering what? What do you think, Paisley girl?
I don't know. All I know is there's a lot of cleaning up after them.
So are you ready to see one? It'll be our first animals on the homestead. Are you ready? Here it is.
It is! Look at cool rabbits!
It's the rabbits!
Whoa.
Lots and lots of rabbits!
Lots of rabbits! Lots of rabbits!
That's right, rabbits. Meat rabbits to be exactly. Hey, hello.
You want hello?
It's like, just give me my home. I want back in my home. So we got the cages home here. Let me flip you around here. So, these are the cages. Whoa. So as you can see, my area that I had organized and made all nice and pretty is no longer here. This is the future home of the rabbits, meat rabbits. This will be their home. And Paisley girl's over there cleaning out the girls' cages. She goes, do you want to make dinner or am I? I said, oh no, you're going to be in charge of cleaning up. Because down the road I'll be cleaning and scooping all the stuff that falls here on the ground and scooping it out.
And you see the rabbit? Let's get down.
So, yeah, we got meat rabbits. We're talking to our friends. We use inside voices.
Look at rabbit. I like rabbit.
Hi, say hello.
I like rabbit.
Say hello.
Daddy. You like rabbit.
And we got one over here. And it's definitely ready to be put back in its cage.
Move it, Mama.
See if I can turn.
Move it away.
There.
She's right in the way. There, Gar.
I gotta close it back up because this box is a little bit shallow. So it definitely will get out. So what originally was the idea to make this into the rabbit cage area or rabbit area. Look at this. What a mess. What a disaster. But it's okay. You know, plans change. That's the way it goes here. Nothing is set in stone. We are trial by fire here. So I got to do all this organization, and it won't be done tonight. I will be going in and doing the chicken and getting dinner cooking, while Paisley girl gets to play with her rabbits. So I'm going to go inside because tomorrow I'm going to be busy all day helping my mother move and my sister move into their house. So my back is screaming already. But there's the rabbits.
It's a rabbit.
So like I said, this will be their humble below. Now we have nesting boxes. They'll go in here so they can be in their nesting boxes.
Go rabbit. Go poop.
And I just noticed there in the back, I'm going to have to reinforce that one because I did not see that hole.
Door. See the door?
Since that area is not that bad, I will go in there real quick before I go in the house and reinforce it. say there's a hole right back here, that they will definitely get out for sure. So I will be reinforcing that. And Carmen will be going in the house because she is very tired and she will be going to her room. As you can hear her in the background, she is unhappy about everything. That's just Carmen's life. Well, hello there, Mr. Bunny. This one's Mr. Social. Hi. Yeah. All right. Well, Paisley girl, any words for our viewers?
Stay tuned and have wonderful rabbit adventures with us.
All right.
What's the matter with Jackie?
Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button so you can get updates of the family. And there's so many things that have been uploaded and different things being moved from a different channel. We're just going to make one big channel because it makes it so hard doing, you know, updates for both channels. And so I was like, you know what? I'm just going to combine the whole channel into one because that's the best way of doing it. So as we say around here, peace, love, and happiness goes out to each one of you. Have a very blessed week.